Hey guys, Matt here again at the Titan Outlet store. Just got in this Case IH 445 Series 3 skid steer. The tires are in excellent condition. Paint is fair to average. It's got the ride control on as well. Just comes with the bucket. 1,437 hours on it. Like you said, are hard to come by on these skid steers, a good used skid steer. So if you're looking for something for now until fall, give us a call on this unit.
Hello and welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2010 Case 445 with 1,437 hours. Let's take a closer look at the features on this skid steer. This Case 445 has front and rear auxiliary hydraulics and a hydraulic quick coupler, along with a dirt and Foundry bucket. Moving on to the rear, which features a diesel power plant and hydrostatic transmission, along with rear weights. And over to the tires, which are tubeless with 80% tread. This 445 features ride control. And over to the cab, which is decked out with a rollover protection system and a suspension seat, along with hand controls and a foot throttle. Thank you for viewing this 2010 Case 445. If you're interested in this skid steer and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.